So let's solve this problem. So to find the equation of tangent line and the normal line from this given, so first we need to find the first derivative, and that is y prime equals, so for the derivative of 2x squared, this is 4x. Then for the derivative of positive 3x, that's positive 3. And for the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So the first derivative is 4x plus 3. Then we can find now the slope of the tangent line because the first derivative is equal to the slope of the tangent line, and that is equal to 4x plus 3. Then from this given coordinate, so this is x and y. So x is negative 2. So to find now the slope of the tangent line, so we have 4 times x, and x is negative 2, then plus 3. Then to simplify, so this is 4 times negative 2. This is negative 8, and negative 8 plus 3. So the slope is equal to negative 5. Then this time we can find now the equation of the tangent line using the slope formula. So we have y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Then from the given coordinate, this is x sub 1 and this is y sub 1. So to find now the equation of the tangent line, so we have y minus y sub 1, and y sub 1 is negative 1, then equals the slope of the tangent line, that's negative 5, 10 times x minus x sub 1, and x sub 1 is negative 2. Then to simplify, so this double negative, that's positive, then minus 5, and this double negative, that's positive. Then we have x plus 1 equals, distribute this negative 5. So this is negative 5 times x, that's negative 5x. And negative 5 times 2, this is negative 10. Then equate this equation to 0. So we have y plus 1. Then transpose this negative 5x to the other side. So that becomes positive 5x. And transpose this negative 10 to the other side. So that becomes positive 10, then equals 0. Then arrange this equation. So starts with x and combine like terms. So we have positive 5x, then positive y, and this positive 1 plus 10, that's positive 11, then equals 0. Then transpose this constant to the other side. So we have 5x plus y equals negative 11. So this is now the equation of the tangent line. Then to find the equation of this normal line, so first, we need to find the slope of the normal line, and that is equal to negative 1 over the slope of the tangent line. So we have negative 1 over, since the slope of the tangent line is negative 5, so over negative 5. Then for this double negative, so therefore the slope of the normal line is equal to positive 1 over 5. Then to find out the equation of the normal line, so using this formula, so we have y minus y sub 1, and y sub 1 is negative 1, then equals, for the slope of the normal line, that's positive 1 over 5, then times x minus x sub 1, that's negative 2, then to simplify, So this double negative, so that becomes positive, and this double negative, so that's positive. Then since this equation contains a fraction, so we need to multiply this whole equation by this denominator, so times 5. Then distribute, so 5 times y, that's 5y, and 5 times 1, that's positive 5. Then distribute to this equation, so we can cancel this 5. So we have now 1 times x plus 2. Then we have 5y plus 5, and this is x plus 2. Then equate this equation to 0. So transpose this positive x, so that becomes negative x. Transpose this positive 2, that becomes negative 2 equals 0. Then arrange this equation, so starts with x and combine like terms. So we have negative x, positive 5y, and this positive 5 minus 2, this is positive 3 equals 0. Since x is negative, so we need to multiply this whole equation by negative 1 to make this x positive. So this becomes positive x, this becomes negative 5y, this becomes negative 3 equals 0, and transpose this negative 3. So we have x minus 5y equals positive 3. So this is now the equation of the normal line.